Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to join clips inside of your Filmora Wondershare project. So first of all guys, let's open first our Wondershare Filmora and then here you choose the ratio that you want your project to be on and of course make sure that you are logged into your account because this is like the most important thing guys because it will not allow you to export your video later on when you finish editing it. Now let's create a new project by clicking in here, and after we've done with this step, basically what I'm going to do is to drag a new file. You can just click for example here and import media folder or whatever it is, or you just click here on this icon and you will be this page will be opened for you. So in order to drag like for example a clip, you go to your videos or like whatever you have the clip is. So for me I have it in here. So this is a clip of me playing Valorant. Now what I'm going to do is just drag it in here, choose the quality which is for me the best quality. So I will choose the best quality and then make sure that is on full quality so you can see the quality maximum. And here you can see there is the audio of the video. If there is any like audio with this video, you can reduce it by making it go down and make it up if you want to make it go higher and louder. So as you can see here, you can click and start playing the video and watching it. Here you can see all the settings of this clip that you have added. You can make a lot of things to it. You can change colors, you can make lots of stuff. Just go through these settings by yourself if you want and keep changing everything so your clip will look good. You can actually drag multiple clips. If you click import media again and you choose another media or another clip, you can drag it next to it, and so after this clip will be ended, then the other clip will be starting. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.